you forgot to name. Keep your coffee mug just the same. The bed still holds your shape at night, even though you haven't slept here in months or light. I talk to you like you're still near, but the echo's all I ever hear. This is love after you left, a house full of ghosts and unsent texts. I fold your shirts like you'll come back, but the door stays shut and the sky stays black. I love you in past tense now, with a furrowed brow and a hollow vow. Yeah, this is love after you left. I passed your street last Tuesday noon, saw your laugh through someone else's window soon. Didn't stop, just drove right through, but my hands still shook like I was losing you again. This is love after you left, a silent film with no regret. I play our scenes in a rewind slow while learning how to let you go. I love you in memories now, with tear-stained cheeks and a quiet vow. Yeah, this is love after you left. Maybe one day us won't ache like a bruise. Maybe one day I'll choose me too. But tonight I'll whisper your name one last time, then let it fade. This is love after you left, not broken, just learning to rest. No more waiting by the phone, no more loving you alone. I'll keep you